Hey guys! So, it's Olivia here. So, don't mind that stop sign, it's my brother's friend. So anyways, I am going to audition for 7. Yeah, 7. Swing, swing, swing. So, first of all, my name is Olivia Crouch. I am 12 years old, and I come from the USA. So, I want to tell you 3 things about me. Okay. Yeah. So, here we go. First of all, my favorite color is pink and purple. They're both like my favorite colors ever. And second, my favorite band of all time is One Direction. My favorite member of it is Harry. Okay. But I really love it. And, well, actually, I'm going to tell you 5. So, number 2, wait. Number 3, sorry, is I love to read. Like, I like the 3 whole stacks, like, over here, like, right behind my door. I like 3 stacks of books. Well, not 3 anymore. My mom took the other 2 to our room. Anyway, so 4. I love Dr. Pepper. Number 5, it's kind of all 3. It's kind of 3% alike. So, I love to sing, dance, and I love to be in front of the camera like every day. So yeah, that is my audition. Love you guys. Hope I get picked. Bye!